Hi guys, Andy here from Car Key Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to do a battery change on a Honda proximity key. This particular model was found used for cars from 2012 up until 2015, maybe even 16. We found models like the CR-V, but even several other types of Honda use this particular key. So in order to change the battery, you have to release the emergency key. So you have the emergency blade. With the push of this button, you release the blade. And then we'll see on the side, you have a gap here which allows you to put a flathead screwdriver in and open the case. Okay, once that is opened, you'll see the battery is just there. And I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to release the battery. Try and hold the battery in place because sometimes it just pops out and it goes on the floor. So try and keep it in place there. Okay, this will be the battery. In our case is a CR2032. When replacing with a new battery, always make sure that you put the positive side of the battery up. Clip the case back together, so align it. There's only one position that you can put it in. So align the case together, clip it together, and put the emergency blade back in. Okay, this is your key for the Honda Proximity from 2013 up until 2015, 16 maybe for some of the Honda models. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you do have any questions, please leave us a comment below. Have a good day.